Everyone, good morning, welcome back to my blog. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. For today's blog, let's have some early lunch. Let's have some courtesy of my daughter. She make me this is um curry pasta with pork belly. Is a lot of vegetable overload. Is a lot of vegetable overload with mushroom, peas, chickpeas, garbanzos, corn, and more. And is delicious with um, kind of pasta is also pasta and also long noodles pasta and many more with pork belly. Yummy. Is taste yummy, looks yummy, is very delicious. Thank you for my daughter, courtesy of my daughter. She make this labor of love. So let's eat early lunch like brunch, breakfast, and lunch. Enjoy and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless and delicious meal for lunch and breakfast. So enjoy. Bon appetit and kainan na and taste. Let's taste it. It's delicious and yummy for my tummy. Thank you and God bless you all. And we have a Core Power High Protein Milkshake. Core Power High Protein Milkshake. Great taste. Core Power High Protein Milkshake. Great taste. With strawberry banana flavor. All natural. And also we have some novel oranges. Sweet novel oranges, sweet novel oranges. So let's have some fruits and milkshake, protein core power milkshake, and some pasta. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. It's me again, that's been my blog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, that's been my blog. And don't skip ad. Watch the video until the end. And it's me again, Espinal Vlog, saying, hello everyone, good morning, happy Thursday to you all. Is January 20th, 2025. So, beautiful day out there. It's beautiful day out there. Lovely day here in Maryland, USA. Thanks God, the snow, the storm went to south. So, thanks to God. So, but still cool. Be safe as always. Thank you and God bless you all. It's Megan Espinablog. Always saying hello everyone. God bless. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and ingat po tayong lahat sa mga tayo naruroon ng sulok ng mundo. Mabuhay po tayo. It's 9:25 here in Maryland, USA. And I'm sure is 9:25 in the Philippines PI time and afternoon somewhere in UK. Wherever you are, be safe as always. Take care and God bless. So long, everyone. It's me again, Espinay Vlog, saying hello, everyone. Spread love. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Life is too short. Love one another and be thankful and grateful what you have and be nice to each other. And that's for the motto for today. So please like and share my YouTube channel, Nate's Pinay Vlog of Maryland. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe and don't skip ad. Watch the video until the end. Please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big. Please, please, thank you. And my motto for today, my goal for today, before end of this year, I want my subscribers like 1,000 so I can monetize. Please help me, God. Thank you and God bless. So thanks again and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. It's me again, that's been my blog. Let's eat This is yummy. Um, my daughter made this is curry pasta. Curry pasta with lots of protein, vegetables, and many more inside. And uh, taste overload and made it from love. So, labor of love. Thank you and God bless. So long, everyone. Let's eat in early lunch, uh, brunch, breakfast, and lunch. So, yummy and delicious is eating time before we start to go to work. So, thank you for watching. God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you. Please like and share. Support my YouTube channel to make it big. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless us all. Is eating time is curry pasta from courtesy of my daughter. Thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Enjoy and God bless you all. This is Core Power Protein High Protein Milk with strawberry and banana. So tastes yummy and we have some oranges. So let's eat and God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Have a good weekend, everyone. Enjoy and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless. Love you guys. Take care and God bless you all.